What smoke?
Nigga, what the fuck?
I failed. Okay, let's try that again. We gonna act like that never happened. I feel so embarrassed. Today we are doing another unboxing slash try on haul from Champion. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump into this video. But before we start, sorry, my lips are a little ashy. But still a little ashy. Okay. But before we start, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to ring my post notification bell and comment below which fits are fire or nah. So yeah, let's get started. We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder where it's from. So which one should I open first? Okay, let me stop for y'all click off. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open the white one. Nope, you know what? Nope, we're gonna open the gray one up first, okay? Okay, this is some good quality plastic. Don't it smell good? Smell like crack. Here,
Nigga, what the fuck?
Okay. I like this. This look nice. This is the Sesame Street sweater, I'm pretty sure. Look at that, okay? Don't that look nice? Look, it's the whole gang. Gang. He just giving me pedophile vibes. Do you not give y'all pedophile vibes? It's just kind of weird. I don't trust Big Bird. I really don't.
It was all a lie. I didn't touch them kids.
So let's look at the Elmo hoodie, okay? So, bam!
Nigga, what the fuck?
This didn't come in no plastic, so I'm pretty sure this is a return. I don't know. Where is the plastic, Champion? This could be infected with the coronavirus. Okay, let me stop. Okay, so this is the Elmo hoodie. Yeah, it looked nice. I hope it fit me because I'm anorexic. I like it. This look nice. It look comfortable. I wish it was like wintertime because I have eczema and you know my skin get very dry. So I don't think I could wear this right now. My skin will probably like, I don't know. Just ignore what I said. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, this cost me like I think $60. This cost me $60, and I think the Elmo hoodie cost me $5. Not $5. I wish it did. It cost me $75. Oh, this would be a perfect thumbnail. Wait a minute. Let me see. Can I get it? Okay. Don't fail me now.
Yes, Daddy.
So anyway, since we got the hoodies, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try them on. So yeah, so I'll be back. Okay, so I like this hoodie, you know, it's not too big, it's not too small. Let me back up so y'all can see how it look. But you see, I don't look anorexic. So if I had to rate this on a scale from 1 to 10, I would give this a 9 out of 10. And the only reason why I'm giving it a 9, because this part is supposed to be, I guess, Big Bird feathers. But, you know, it feel a little scratchy. It feel like the back of a sponge, you know, like the hard part that you wash dishes with. But other than that, this is very comfortable. The hood part, it's a little big, you feel me? But that's okay, though. It made me look like I'm a rapper, you know, like I'm finna come out with a mixtape. Hit tape, rip tape, Dutch tape, luck tape. I'm a butt tape. Oh my God, bars! I should be a rapper. Anyway, I like this. I really have no complaints, so good job. So this is the Elmo hoodie. I like it. I'ma stand back. You know, once again, it's a great size. Honestly, this fit a little bit more than the Big Bird hoodie. I love the color. This hoodie give me, what's the word? Nostalgia. I hope that's the right word. You know, this remind me of Sesame Street days when they was teaching me how to count to 10. 1, 2, 5,
Nigga,
6,
what the fuck?
9. Yeah, I like it. Let's look at the hoodie. Okay, so this is the hoodie. So, the hoodie, it fits more than the Big Bird. I'm sorry, I'm looking out the window because somebody's staring at me. Like, get out of my face! Okay, anyway, this hoodie, it fits more than the Big Bird hoodie. Like, the Big Bird hoodie, it was coming over your eyes. But this is a perfect fit. I really like this. On a scale from 1 to 10, I have to give this hoodie probably I'm gonna say an 8. I don't know why. I like the Big Bird hoodie just a little bit more. But this is still a good quality hoodie. So, I recommend getting this. So, Champion, once again, good job on this. So, this is the last one. Alright, he's gonna walk in. So everybody say hi to my brother. Okay, so this is the last one, baby. So I really like this hoodie. I'm gonna have to give this hoodie a 8 out of 10. I like the quality. No, I'm not even gonna give it 8. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because I like the quality of it. It would be a 10 out of 10. I just wish they would have made this into a hoodie, but they didn't. So I'm gonna back up so y'all can see how it look. Okay, so this is how it look. You feel me? Wait. This is how the sweatshirt. What are you doing? Not too small, not too big. Okay. All together, Champion. Kudos, you did a great job. You did fantastic. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And before you leave, comment below which fit was your favorite.
Nigga, don't fake fry, don't fake fry.